Hey, hi everyone. This is Suraj, and I have participated in the VMACTAV's AI Agent Hackathon. And today I have, built one. I have built one cool project in order to solve one, major problem in the industry that teams faces. So let me just quickly show you what I have built and give you a short demo on how it works. So the project is Data Incident Management Tool. So it is an AI powered autonomous incident management tool for the data teams. And let me show you first what is the problem and why this solution should be exist. So the problem in the organization that data teams faces is critical operation challenges when any incident occurs, right? So let's say an incident occurred, so the response time, the MTTR, due to the manual investigation is very high. It took hours to fix this, right? And the alert fatigue is very high because of the false positive rate lead that ignore the critical alerts and that any real alerts that you should be working on. And the downtime cost is very high and engineer burnout due to this. So what I have built is an autonomous system that what it does, it receives, analyze, and act on the alerts autonomously and make the smart decision with the AI agent. So what it does, my solution include AI powered analysis, multi-agent context, multi-system context, and real-time response within 30 seconds or around 1 minute. And it does the smart routing based on the alerts and the decision it make, and it will notify you on the Slack. And I have configured the Slack notification, and for any loop issues, let's say like the issue occurring multiple times, and it will do the auto remediation for that fix. You can customly you can make the custom workflow for that, and it will automatically fix that. So let me take you through the architecture diagram of this project. So you already have fixed the monitoring system, right, on the Datadog, Prometheus, or CloudWatch, any tools, and then what it does, it will alert goes to the webhook endpoint for on the Custra tool that we have built around it, right? So when the monitoring system you know alerts the webhook endpoint, then our AI system, AI analysis engine comes into the picture. What it does, it parse and gather, it parse the metadata and to gather all the context from the multi system context, which could be the Snowflake, Airflow, DBT, any business SLA. So after that, it do the RC on on all this context, and it will send to the Perplexity Sonar model that we have configured in this. And after giving it to the Perplexity Sonar model, it will do the analysis, and then the decision engine comes to the picture, and it will do the smart routing based on the false positive minor issues and critical alerts. For the critical alerts, it will notify you on the Slack, because it's very critical, and we can do a multiple integration over here, not just the Slack. We can do the email, any Jira ticket creation, like there are lots of features that will I'll be like building on the top of this after this hackathon as well. And the known issue, for the known issue, as I already told you, it will do the auto remediation, right? So let me just quickly show you the GitHub repo. Here is the GitHub repo that where I have mentioned everything according to the open source best practices. And what it does is it provides you everything related to this program, the project, and let me just show you the quick demo that I have built some test script, and let me just enter it. And what it does is it will trigger the Castra or Castra workflows, and it will execute those. You can see them, these are running, and it will just take as I said, like around 30 seconds to 1 minute, and it will automatically analyze based on the alerts and the logs it will be getting, and it will send you the Slack notification after that. So let's just wait for a second. So yeah, every workflow is successfully ran. Let me head over you to the Slack notification. You can see it's 1923, and yeah, it's it just sent me the incident report on the critical and like based on the severity of this alerts. So yeah, this is the project that I have built, and here's the GitHub repo according to the open source best practices. And I also have configured the code rabbit AI for the pull request. And let me just show you how helpful it was for me when I was when I integrated it. It act like a senior engineer for me, and it's very cool tool to integrate. And yeah, that's it for today and about this project. Thanks to Vimic Dev teams and Castra to give this opportunity to build this project. Yeah, bye.